Today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Turbotax password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it for security reasons, this process will help you regain control of your account quickly and securely. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to turbotax.intuit.com. This is the main Turbotax website where you'll manage all aspects of your account. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your current credentials if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password to access your account dashboard. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Turbotax homepage. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. From this menu, click on Tax Home. This will bring you to an overview page that displays your account information and tax filing status. Take a moment to scroll down through this page until you locate the My Account option. When you click on My Account, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this drop-down selection, click on Change User ID, Email, or Password. This is the gateway to modifying your account credentials and ensuring your information stays up to date and secure. At this point, a new tab will open in your browser, redirecting you to your Intuit account management page. Intuit is the parent company of Turbotax, so all account security settings are handled through their centralized system. Once you're on this page, look for the option labeled Sign In and Security and click on it. This section controls all the security features associated with your account. Within the Sign In and Security section, you'll see an option specifically for password. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the second field. This ensures there are no typos and that you remember your new password correctly. Once both password fields are filled in, click Save to finalize the change. It's important to note that before you can complete this process, Turbotax may ask you to verify your identity. This could come in the form of a one-time password sent to your phone or email, or another verification method linked to your account. This extra step is in place to protect your account from unauthorized access, so be prepared to check your email or phone for a verification code if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Turbotax password and secured your account with updated credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.